Join us tonight for Sunday Night Lime right after the episodes.
Yes, baby.
Yes, nice.
I'm so forward. And I time them. I've been weak.
Mommy, hurry up, please. Daddy said the exam is 5 minutes away.
You know, see, I don't go and do when me for bring it out for your birthday.
And I used to, you know.
Oh, so me a regular degular. And your daddy are preps. Try remember that when you forget your money a week time.
It's Daddy's money anyways.
But here, yeah, it's my money.
But you work for him.
You know what? I'm come bring you downstairs make you go to your precious daddy. Where will you to for?
Spending money.
Your father no pay me it, so ask him for spending money.
Mommy,
I'm just joking, Kamisha. There's money in your bag.
thank you.
Have a happy birthday. I just want you to know that mommy loves you very much.
Yes, Mommy, I love you too.
I can't believe say you're 12 already. Not just wedding.
Please, Mommy, stop. You do this every year. I'm not a baby anymore.
But you too. You're my baby and you will always be.
That sounds at the in drive. Bye.
Hold on, wait, young lady. Make me check.
I don't understand what you said to me. So, if I'm not there physically, the project have to stop? Look, man, we need to get past this foolishness so we have to micromanage everybody, you know. Yes. But I need it done. Look, Martin, this can't work. Look, get it done. Me call you back. You alright, babe?
Yeah. What about you?
We're good.
You realize that a couple months ago the reverse was happening?
Yeah.
And you do realize that this would have ended differently?
Yeah, but it didn't. So let's just look at the positive.
The positive.
Celine, please. Now is not the time.
Morning. Hey, what's our border? Thank you, Pakuron.
Morning.
Good morning. You okay?
Yeah, I was going to get a cup of tea for Carlton.
No, man. I'll deal with it.
I can deal with it, you know?
You guys are guests here, so I will take care of it.
Okay, thank you.
So you get them. So you carry them on the site? Okay. Alright, look here. You know arrest not supposed to arrest, right? So it would be nice if you don't call me for arrest ID. No call me for nothing at all. All if the place crumble, don't call me. Good. Figure it out.
This is really a quiet place to just get away and relax.
Yes, it is. And that's what I really love about this place. It's the quiet.
Yeah, you and Mr. Sullivan really doing a great job with this place.
Thanks. The reaction from our guests keeps us motivated.
That's good. That means you're a great host.
Thank you. So how long will you and Mr. Wallace be staying?
Well, that's really up to him, but I'm sure we'll be here for at least another week.
That's good. You guys can get some good rest and healthy food.
Yeah, some well-deserved rest and some healthy food as well. Like little yam and banana, dumpling on the side, little stewed chicken, kidney, or even little liver, you know? And maybe a little curry. You can throw that in there.
It's a good thing we have all of that here. So, was Mr. Wallace in an accident?
Yeah, something like that.
Sorry to hear. Well, he's at the right place to get good rest and get well soon. Question. Did he fall from one of the construction sites?
Listen, Carlton is a very private man. I was just told to accompany him here.
A company? Interesting. That sounds like your bodyguard.
Excuse me, wrong choice of words. Because we know Mr. Wallace is more than capable of taking care of himself. So he asked me to follow him here. That's all.
Okay. Hello, can I help you?